guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have January's manifestation box and Mother Earth Wrap Club by Gogh Jewelry Design. Do you want to know what's inside? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys, so January 2023 boxes just arrived. They did send me these for review, so thank you so much for sending me both of your boxes to show my viewers. I greatly do appreciate it. So you guys, let's go ahead and dive in. I'm super excited. I like to start with the manifestation box first. This one is super cute. I love the blue. Ready to manifest your dreams. Yes, please. Manifest the life you want to live. Definitely. So let's go ahead and dive in. Let's see what is going to be inside of this. If you don't know, inside the manifestation box, you get a bracelet, you get a necklace, and you get a little healing crystal. The bracelet and the necklace comes to your size. So when you order, you choose the size you would like, and then you tell them your zodiac sign, because then you get a paper in here that'll go over your astrology for the month. And I love that. So this is tailored just for you. So right on top, there is a thank you note from the owner. Thank you so much. And then you do have your manifestation sticker. So now let's go ahead and cut the tape and see what's inside for this month. So that's what it looks like down inside. So going over all of this stuff, and then we'll dive into the jewelry. And I'm actually wearing two different ones right here. And that's the beauty in it. You can stack them. You can wear multiple ones. You can do whatever you want. So every morning, literally, once I get done and ready, before I grab my purse to walk out of my bedroom, my area where I get ready, the first thing I do is check to see what bracelets that I have from the wraps and the regular ones versus what I'm wearing. And I literally am wearing one of her bracelets at least every single day, at least one every single day. Sometimes I wear multiple. In this one, you also do have a meditation card, but you get two of them. One of them is for you to keep for yourself, and one is for you to gift to somebody if you would like. So for this month, this is how it looks. It says, finding ways to unwind and switch off is just as important as working very hard. Yes, it is. So again, you do have two of those cards right there. Then you will have the paper that will go over what we're working with this month. This month, we are working on unwinding. So it says unwind. It is the beginning of the year and we are exhausted. We have decided to slow down, learn better, take care of ourselves, and dedicate more time to our needs. Yes. So again, you can go through this whole list, which will go over everything to help you. There's even a back page. There's even a back page. So you definitely have this you can sit down and read about, and you have some really neat tips and pointers on how we can unwind for this month. Then you will have your astrology. Mine is for Scorpio because that is what I am. So then you can go through and read your own astrology for the month as well. I absolutely love that. Then you have some other paperwork in here, and it says thank you for your purchase. And then you have these cards that go over some more information, and you can see some more bracelets right there, all those different colors, beautiful pieces. And then you have another one that has some more. You have some wraps here. So you can purchase any of their products individually from their site as well. You don't have to have a subscription, but having a subscription saves you a whole lot of money by having the active subscription. So you can do whichever one. And I do have my own code, which is SheCrafty. That'll get you 20% off the shop or your first month's box. That is absolutely amazing. Save that money. So let's go ahead and dive in. And here, I believe this is going to be the necklace. It always does come in a nice box. So you can always save them in if you would like. And one thing that I absolutely love about this company is the little cards that they give so you know what stone it is. They're super user friendly. Not only does it have the name and it has a picture of it, but it also tells you what that crystal does. And I love that. I have these all stacked up. I keep mine in alphabetical order. Like it matters, but I keep it in alphabetical order. And whenever I have any question, I can go through and look. And if I don't know the name, I can check by the what it looks like, and then I'll know what stone that is and what it is used for. And I love that. So this is agate. I know some people say agate, agate, whichever, tomato. I'm gonna say agate. Agate is the stone everyone should have for protection. Agate is believed to enhance intelligence and makes its wearer more articulate. It attracts strength, protects from bad dreams, stress, and energy drains. That is so cool. So that is the stone for this month, and oh my gosh, it is beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. And it is on a silver chain. Most of the jewelry for the necklaces are on silver chains, but from time to time you might see something different. It might be like a yellow gold or a rose gold, but generally speaking, they're mainly on silver. And I am a silver girl, so I love that. And the length of the necklace you get to choose. So whatever length that you say you would like is how yours would come. Same thing with the length of the bracelet. So again, it is customized just for you. This is absolutely beautiful. I love the cut. I just love the different design to it and how it looks. And oh, that's beautiful. But look at that. Let me put this on. And it's not too heavy. I mean, it's a good size stone. You can feel it, but it's not gonna like weigh you down, you know? That is absolutely beautiful. I love that. And again, I love the cards. They're super user-friendly, and I love just to have them because you never know if you need to go back to reference anything at any point. So they have you covered. Let's go ahead and get into the bracelet now for the month, and then we can see what the healing stone is for the month as well. Oop, I caught that one. Ooh, this is going to be the amethyst. I saw that like real quick. It's purple. So you do have this amethyst right here, and you have the card to go with it, of course. Amethyst is the perfect stone for you if you are facing stressful times in your life. This crystal helps people cope with stress by supporting mental calm. It also provides protection from addiction. It helps you make good decisions that will benefit you in the long run, avoiding those instant gratifications that don't feel so great later. And then the bracelet, you have like all these clear little balls that go around, and then you have these like dark grayish black. Oh, that's Hemalite. I think that's how you say it. And these right here are all, it says crystal healing. So those are little clear crystal balls. They're very, very shiny. Very, very shiny. So this one here, ooh, that is super pretty. I don't have anything that looks like that. So that is really, really pretty. Ooh, I can even wear them all together like that too. So the one right here is hematite. That is the one right on the top. And for this one, it says, it is an excellent grounding and balancing energy, as well as being a powerful aid to stimulate the mind. They enhance memory and evoke deep thought. They have a highly protective energy and are good to help women who lack courage. And then the healing, crystal healing, all the other ones around it, it says, while you are wearing your crystals as jewelry, the crystal vibrations work continuously on your imbalances. Clear quartz is a traditional healing crystal that is believed to be capable of drawing out pain while amplifying energy for healing. It is also called to be the master healer. So there's that. So that is what you have all on the outside. And then you have the hematite, I think you say it, on the inside. That is super, super pretty. Again, I don't have anything like that. I don't think I've even seen anything with those color variations. So that's super, super neat. So that is now everything for the manifestation box. Again, you have what we are working with for unwinding. You have your astrology. You have the meditation cards. You have this gorgeous bracelet, this beautiful necklace. I love this necklace. You have the amethyst, and then you have all of the cards, and you have a reusable bag that you can use as well. Okay, you guys, so now let's go ahead and bust into the Mother Earth Wrap Club. I'm so excited. I love to see the different variations of each one every month. So let's go ahead and dive into this one. Now with this one, you do get the wrap bracelet. You do not get the astrology and what you're working with and all of that. You get the Mother Earth the wrap bracelet, and then you'll have like a small little thing. It could be a healing crystal. You get one little goodie with this one with the bracelet. And there is a thank you card again from the owner. That is super neat. And then it says a year of celebrations, a scratch off activity book celebrating life. That is neat. So it sounds like this is going to be like our little goodie for the month that comes in addition to the wrap bracelet. It does have their sticker on the back of it, and the front looks like that. A scratch off activity book celebrating life. Let's see what you are all about. It says life is a special occasion and it's worthy of daily celebration. Here to add some spice and adventure to your weeks ahead, the Year of Celebrations Scratch Off Activity Book includes monthly whimsical mystery activities to inspire little acts of joy, festivity, and fun any time of the year. No cheating! Once you scratch off a circle, there are no takebacks. Even if you're busy and it doesn't seem like the right time to do that activity, challenge yourself to make time for it either within a day or a week and allow yourself to come back from the activity feeling rejuvenated. Add this to your daily routine or use this book on days when you need a little pick-me-up. Celebrate yourself. You are worthy of your time, love, and devotion. So this side says January. There's 5 little scratch off areas. The next page is February and March. Both of those have 5 as well. Same thing. So it looks like every single one you will have something that you can scratch off as you go through all the way to, here we go, November and December. And then you can create your own celebrations below by writing down 1 through 8 things there. Let's go ahead and scratch off because now we are in January. I'm going to scratch off the ones in January so we can see like what is on here, what to kind of expect under the scratcher. I'm going to use my knife to scratch it. I don't have a coin in here. Okay, so that is what it looks like after they are all scratched off. So the first one says, lift off an eco-friendly sky lantern. Write your wishes and dreams on it before takeoff. Buy some fun balloons to remind yourself today is worth celebrating. Pay tribute to a new beginning and create art to symbolize this new adventure. Journal about 3 new happenings in your life you're grateful for. Dig deep. Set your resolutions, goals, and intentions for the year. So that is everything for January. Like I said, you can scratch off one at a time until you have it completed. Then you can scratch another if you like, or do it however you want. That's the fun in it. And you have it for the entire year. So that's the little goodie that comes with the bracelet. You also do have a thank you card here, which goes over and shows more of their beautiful jewelry. Here's some more. I just love all of these pieces, you guys. They're just so pretty. And if you didn't watch the other videos, these are totally okay to do anything that you normally do on a day-to-day. When I was first starting out wearing them, I would take them off like when I washed my hands, when I did certain things, because I was just afraid. I didn't want them to get wet. I didn't want them to get ruined. I didn't know. And she was like, nope, nope, nope. You can wash your hands. You can take a shower. You can yoga. You can do whatever you want to do. And you can be rest assured that nothing is going to happen to them. So ever since she told me that, I never really take them off unless I'm taking them off for the night. They stay on. I've never had anything happen. I never had one break, bust, or anything like that. And again, you get to choose your wrist size, so it's custom for yourself. So let's go ahead and dive in and see what is going to be in the wrap bracelet for this month. Again, you do have your cards and oh my goodness, this is beautiful. That's like light grays and browns and like whites. And then there's a moon that hangs. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Okay, look at that. You see the moon? That is so pretty. Obviously, I love the moon. And this is just stunning. I like those colors. I was thinking, I wonder if it would match with this, but This doesn't have like, if it had more brown in it, it would probably match perfectly. But this is mainly grays when this one has the browns. Let's see what stone this is. Okay, so it is moonstone and sunstone. Ooh, so sunstone would be the one that has like the orangish, kind of orangish brownish tones to it. The sunstone crystal stone, meaning helps you to clear away limitations and negative energies by replacing them with light and high vibrations. Sunstone encourages independence and originality, especially helpful to those who have difficult saying no to others. Sunstone facilitates self-empowerment and independence. It acts as an antidepressant, increasing self-worth and confidence, encourages optimism and enthusiasm, stimulates self-healing powers. Ooh, that is a lot of great stuff. And then moonstone that I absolutely love. Moonstone is a stone for new beginnings. Moonstone is a stone of inner growth and strength. Moonstone has been a connection of the magic of the moon and lunar energy. So that is the moonstone, and then the moon for the little dangle. Using the lunar energy of the moon can yield incredible healing results, both physically and mentally. Moonlight has holistic healing properties and is able to cleanse your mind, body, and spirit. Harness the positive energy of the moon by envisioning your goals and dreams. That is amazing. This whole combination of everything together, that's great to be wearing on you. Like, that is awesome. But I love those colors together, and I love that moon. Let me go ahead and put this one on this hand. Let me remove these two from previous, and let me go ahead and get this one on. Again, with the moon, I'm so excited. Ooh, that is gorgeous. Just so simple, and those colors will match with anything. That is so, so pretty. And then you have your moon that dangles. I love it. See, I just love both. I like having both the wrap and the regular bracelets just because, like I said, no matter what I feel like wearing, I have them and I love them. So that now is everything for the Mother Earth Wrap Club. You have your wrap bracelet for the month with your 3 cards, and then you have this really neat scratcher for the year to give you some inspiration and things to do. That is awesome. So that is everything for this box. All right, you guys. So now that is everything for both of the variations. Comment down below and let me know which one did you like better? Which bracelet did you like? I love this one. If I had to choose between these two this month, I say this one is for the win. It is just beautiful. And I just really love those neutral colors on there, and I love what they represent. But if you do want to check out either one of their boxes or their online shop, they were voted #1 subscription box for a reason. I absolutely love them. So if you want to check them out again, they will all be linked down below, and SheCrafty will get you that 20% off. If you want a little bit more information about this box and the 2 different subscriptions that they have, I will let you know right about now. It's a monthly subscription box for everyone who wants to manifest living happy and was born with the desire to spread positivity and aid conscious living. Ready to manifest your dreams? If you do the manifestation box, that one month to month is $39. 3 months will bring it down to $36. 6 months will bring it down to $34, and going to a 12-month plan will bring it down to $33 per box. Each monthly practice has a theme, what we're working on, and contains a personalized gemstone bracelet, necklace, a healing crystal, 2 meditation cards, one for you to keep and one for you to gift, and your astrology forecast for the month. If you want to do the Wrap Club, the Mother Earth Wrap Club, again, you get the wrap bracelet and then you have a little gift with it. Month to month, it's $39. 3 months will bring it down to $36. 6 months will bring it down to $34, and 12 months will bring it down to $33 per box. They also do give back, and I absolutely love that. I always tell you guys, I love when companies give back and donate, because then we're all helping each other when you do purchase through that company. And I absolutely love that. So she does give back. She's amazing. The bracelets and the necklaces, the jewels, the stones, everything is absolutely breathtaking. I don't know how in the world she makes these every single month, but I'm so glad that she does. So again, if you want to check them out, everything will be linked down below. You can definitely go and check them out. Check out their online shop or the boxes, and comment down below and let me know what you thought about it. Your positive interaction means the world, and I greatly do appreciate it, as I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye, Crafty crew.